el productor, una producción especial. Con el productor NickyNick in the house. NickyNick in the house. NickyNick in the house.
Dígame usted, NickyNick. Un aplauso para Tabou Combo. Quiero oír la gente, hombre. Quiero oír la gente. Un aplauso para Tabou Combo.
NickyNick.
Está gritando, no están aplaudiendo.
This is one of the best Haitian bands. This year they are celebrating their 40th anniversary. They are not only the best, they are the #1, yes. All over the world, when you are talking about Haitian music, the only band that they make reference to is Tabou Combo. Panama is one of the countries that has made Tabou Combo what they are. Without you guys, they would not have known Tabou Combo as the best Haitian band. Since 1968, they have won the first contest of mini jazz. When they came to New York, they have evolved as a big band, and since then, they've made you dance. They've made us Haitian dance as well, and they just came from a tournée from Guyana, French Guyana, at one of a big festival. There were about 40,000 people. You guys, for the first time when Tabou Combo went to Panama, it was a shock to us the way you have received them, the love you have shown to them. When they came back, when they explained, oh Panamania, accept them. Since then, they've been producing music for you and music for us. We want to thank you. And on behalf of NickyNick Production and of Tabou Combo, one of the Haitian superstars, Choubou, all of you know him, Choubou, and Fafatiban, Capi, they were, plus Jacques Jean, 4 of those that started since 1968. Can you think about that? 40 years of music, of entertainment all over the world. Thank you, Tabou.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I started with them since 1968. 40 years ago. But I have a big problem. My problem is, I try to be ugly, but I can't. It's not fair.
On this occasion, NickyNick Production and Associate would like to present to Tabou Combo. Where are the members? Members from NickyNick, please come with the trophy. We would like to honor once again Tabou Combo on this occasion of their 40 years of celebration, 40 years of music, 40 years of joy, 40 years of entertainment, 40 years of good music with Tabou Combo. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, la bonne merci pour Tabou Combo, the good hand for Tabou. Who's going to receive that? Is this for me? I'm not Tabou Combo. For all of you guys, oh, let me see what they say. NickyNick and Associate Tabou Combo Lifetime Achievement Award to Choubou, Jacques Jean, Capi, Fofan, and all of the others. They have some new musicians. The guitarist is a new generation. Daniel Said, very good guitarist. The bassist, Yves Abel, has been playing with Tabou Combo for the past 20 years, I believe so. Yes, Yves Abel. And one of the best keyboardists of the Haitian music, we have Josel Ameus, upcoming, very good, batteur, Robinson, and the remaining from the horn section. Hey, I'm not going to forget my friend, Renal Valme. I've been with Tabou Combo for the past 30 years, 35 years. And for you, again, Panamanian and Panamania, you teach Haitian how to appreciate our artists, or to love them. This is how we want to thank you. And I know Panama and Haiti is one, but at the same token, when Tabou Combo went to Panama for the first time and they've been going there, the love that you have shown to them, we make them appreciate more, because we have a tendency of not appreciating our musicians, but Tabou Combo has made a difference, and we want to share that with them today, with that trophy. Thank you, Chauffeur, thank you, Choubou, and thank you again, Panameño and Panamania.
That Tabou Combo went to Panama. The love affair began between Tabou Combo and Panama. And since we are representing Haiti, the relationship between Haiti and Panama started with Tabou Combo. And I'm proud to say that. And if tonight we are celebrating this 40th anniversary of Tabou Combo with love and brotherhood, this is because of Haiti and Panama put together. And I want to thank the production, NickyNick, for presenting this big trophy to Tabou Combo. And I would like to my friend Kapi, who is one of the founding members of the band, to hold this trophy and to say something in Spanish.
Mira, primero que pesa mucho. Sí, un saludo. Quiero mandar un saludo muy especial a la comunidad panameña. La primera vez que fuimos allá estaba 81 y hemos la oportunidad de tocar en Colón. Enfrente de 10,000 personas y hemos tocado a Boca del Toro, Chiriquí, Panamá, Chorrera y también Colón, Chidre. Y hemos tenido la oportunidad de escribir una canción que se llama Panamá Querida. Es un modo a ustedes haitianos de apreciar de corazón el amor que siento para la República de Panamá y para el pueblo panameño. Muchísimas gracias.
Hola Panamá, ¿qué pasó mi amor? ¿Cómo está la cosa? Guapi Colón, ciudad de la alegría. ¿Qué pasó mi amor? Espero que va bien.
Hola mamá, ¿qué me hiciste a mí para hacer de quererte así? Además Colón ha conquistado mi corazón. Chiriquí, Chorrera y Chitre, además lo mejor para complacer a todo el mundo. Es una promesa de todo mi corazón.